we can see here that the number of atoms for all elements are equal here. So for sodium, LHS has 1 and RHS has 1. For hydrogen, we can say for hydrogen, LHS has 2 and RHS has 2. For oxygen, LHS has 1 and RHS has 1. For chlorine, LHS has 1 and RHS has 1. So the skeletal equation itself is a balanced equation. We do not need to do any kind of extra process. Now we can move to the next question. Let us look at the next question. What we have this particular kind of question that we need to study, and let us read it. So aluminum and copper chloride, that gives aluminum chloride and copper. So how do we do it? First we'll think about aluminum. Aluminum is a metal which is generally solid in state, so we'll write the symbol aluminum solid. Copper chloride, now see, aluminum and copper chloride, two are both these two are the reactants. Aluminum is solid, both the reactants cannot be solid, so we know that when we have solids and we want to allow them to react with each other, we use the aqueous medium that I have clearly mentioned during my activity. So this copper chloride must be in aqueous solution, and then we get again the aluminum chloride, which should be an aqueous solution, because copper is a metal which is in a solid state. So we can say that copper chloride, it is a solution because two solids cannot react with each other. So copper chloride is a solution. So we can write CuCl2 aqueous. Same way aluminum chloride, it is water soluble substance, so we can say AlCl3 is aqueous, and copper, it is a metal, so it is in the solid state. So ultimately we write a skeletal equation as aluminum solid plus CuCl2 aqueous, that gives AlCl3 aqueous plus Cu solid. Now we can calculate, or we can understand about the number of atoms for each element. You can see aluminum LHS1 RHS1, copper LHS1 RHS1, whereas chlorine LHS2 and RHS3. When there is no equality possible for both the atoms, we generally take the LCM and then we multiply both the boxes with the suitable number. So here we'll do the same, as we know that Cl atoms are different in both the side. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, so we'll multiply this 2 with 3 and this 3 with 2. So this is how the next thing we are going to do. We are going to multiply this 2 with 3 and this 3 with 2. So when we do this, we'll find this situation. We'll find the box AlCl3. So we'll find Al plus 3 CuCl2, that gives 2 AlCl3 plus Cu. Now we'll again check out the number of elements. Aluminum LHS1 RHS2, copper LHS3 RHS1, and Cl LHS6 and RHS6. So chlorine are now equal. Now we'll move, because 3 is the highest number, we'll move to copper. To equalize, we will multiply this 1 copper with 3. So this box of Cu will be multiplied with 3. So we can write the next equation. Aluminum plus 3 CuCl2, that gives 2 AlCl3 plus 3 Cu. Now what we can see, aluminum left hand side 1 and RHS2, copper LHS3 RHS3, Cl LHS6 RHS6. Now it's just a matter of aluminum which is not balanced. Left hand side it is 1 and right hand side it is 2. So this box of aluminum has to be multiplied with 2. So let us multiply the LHS box of aluminum with 2. Actually it should be LHS, not RHS. Left hand side aluminum, we will have to multiply it with 2. So you can multiply it with 2. So 2Al plus 3 CuCl2, that gives 2AlCl3 plus 3 Cu. You can see that aluminum LHS2 RHS2, copper LHS3 RHS3, and chlorine LHS6 RHS6. Ultimately all the elements are equal in both the sides, so we can say that this is the balanced chemical equation, and we write the balanced chemical equation as 2L solid plus 3 CuCl2 aqueous plus 2LCl3 aqueous plus 3 Cu solid. I would suggest you to go for the exercise question and solve the question number 5, 6, 7 on your own. Some of these questions I have already solved for you. The other question you should try. This is the homework I suggest for you today. Thank you. Happy learning.